Your world of entertainment starts with the pristine sound of Sony CS speakers. Perfect for listening to your favorite music in lifelike 2-channel stereo. Or add 5.1.2 Dolby Atmos surround sound for the ultimate home theater experience. From the subtle to the most epic moments, high-res audio clarity meets wide directionality and powerful bass response, bringing 75 years of audio component mastery to your favorite entertainment. Fast action, intense drama, and everything in between. It all starts with well-balanced sound in front of you, while every bit of dialogue and vocal subtlety is perfectly centered for maximum clarity. Then come the rear bookshelf speakers to bring depth and distance, creating the ideal surround sound experience. Then the subwoofer hides in plain sight, bringing low-end intensity. And for sound on high, Dolby Atmos toppers push sound overhead to you. Hear movies and music like you never have before, because your favorite entertainment starts with Sony CS speakers.
Polk speakers are designed to pull you right into the action, with rich, detailed surround sound that thrills the senses. Our dynamic balance tweeters project crisp highs, and the pure mid-range drivers let you share the exhilaration of a wide sonic sweet spot. Feel rumbles of deep bass from our powerful subwoofers. And hear every word in your movies and music, including crystal clear vocals. We are committed to bringing you reliable, unrivaled surround sound that works with any system. Elevate your home theater to the next level.
For elevated design and audio performance, check out Klipsch Reference Premier Speakers. Reimagined from the ground up, the all-new Reference Premier line combines more than 70 years of acoustic engineering expertise with cutting-edge technology and powerful performances that only Klipsch can bring to your home theater and hi-fi listening environment. These high-performance speakers deliver the purest of sound thanks to proprietary Klipsch Tractrix horn technology with an all-new vented tweeter design. No wasted energy, just clear and detailed music and movie soundtracks direct to your ears. Available in ebony, walnut, and premium hand-sanded piano gloss finishes, there's a Reference Premier model to complement your decor. No matter your style, these speakers boast high-end materials and components that look as good as they sound. With elegant copper trim rings, cast aluminum feet, scratch-resistant satin-painted baffles, and removable magnetic grills, the Reference Premier series from Klipsch delivers a feature-rich, premium aesthetic. For legendary, impactful sound in any setting, plus features and performance that stand above the rest, step up to Reference Premier from Klipsch.